Welcome back, guys. It's oat harvest time. And to bring out the old 9400. Let's get to this. Come on, turn on. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to get the combine out here and we're going to start harvesting some oats. Everything's set on the combine, bin up, auger up to the bin, wagon on the tractor. Pretty good oats. We have some we harvested the other day while we were setting the combine, and we had to take a sample to the co-op, local co-op, to get it tested, but now should be ready to go. Alright, so what we're doing now is we're taking the end rows off, the end windrows off of each field, and we're chopping them with the chopper on the combine, and then once we're done with that, we're going to switch it over to the windrow setting so then we can bale up that straw. That's how we've always done it, and so now we're going to take this wagon and tractor up to the other field. So yeah, stick along. In the bin, and we're back, day 2. We're finishing up these outside passes, and then there's one little pass here, and then we're going to take it up, slide the chopper back, and and take the spreader off so then we can windrow the stuff. But yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.